batteries came today. Wow, so here it is. I'll give you guys a closer look in a second. Pretty sharp. Please say. So these are 24 volt server rack batteries and they're 200 amp hours each. I ordered these from China directly from the manufacturer. It took a while to get those. And they're gonna be mounted right there in this cabinet. So I'm super excited about this. I haven't seen anybody else put server rack batteries in any of these vans. And I'm gonna try to, like I said, get 1,000 watts on the roof. This is the whitewash is kind of going in under the sink area now. This is me in the garage area, very tight, hard to work in there. But I want to get everything kind of buttoned up and tightened up and ready to go for these batteries, because I'd really like to get the solar array on and these batteries in. That's where they'll be going. That's where the shore power comes in, and that'll go into the Grow Watt, which is a hybrid inverter system. It's a pretty fantastic system. So we got the lights in the garage area done. We got the lights in and around the artwork done. This was pretty difficult. I ended up just having to bust that window out and started to figure out how to configure this mini split in there. It looks like a window AC, but it's actually a mini split and it's extremely efficient. You can actually turn it on from anywhere too, so that's a huge plus. There it is. See how it's like a U-shaped in the middle? It just slid right up there. And that wood in the window, I'm going to go ahead and cover that with metal and fiberglass, so that'll look really good when it's done. You won't even know it'll look factory. So next week I'm going to try to get the batteries in, and I appreciate you guys. Follow along, subscribe. Thanks so much.